Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to use WhatsApp without phone number. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can create unlimited WhatsApp account without using your personal phone number. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, all you need to do is to search for this special application, which is the Secure VPN. Now once you search for the Secure VPN, you can see this VPN over here with more than 100 million plus downloads. So you can see this application over here. If you're already having it but not updated to the latest version, you need to make sure you update your Secure VPN. So this is a special VPN with more than 100 million plus downloads. So now once you have download or updated your Secure VPN, just open your Secure VPN over here. So you can see checking best service, and you can see over here. So just wait as it is loading and then connect. So you have to skip this ad over here. So you just click on skip. Now once you click on skip, you can see connect. You can see connected over here. Now once you have connected to this, you can see the ad over here. Just skip this ad over here. Just skip the ad because it is connected now. Now once you have connected to this Secure VPN, just go ahead and then open your Play Store once again. So just open your Play Store and then you have to search for your WhatsApp. Now if your WhatsApp is not updated, you need to make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. You need to make sure you are using the latest update of WhatsApp. So if it is not updated, you can see WhatsApp with more than 5 billion plus download over here. So just update your WhatsApp. Now once you have updated your WhatsApp, all you need to do is to just open your WhatsApp over here, and once you open your WhatsApp, you can see agree and continue. Just click on agree and continue. Now once you click on agree and continue, you can see it is asking for your contact and then the country. So you can choose any country of your choice. So you can choose any country according to the number that we're going to use in this video. Now once you are done, all you need to do is to go back, and you can see United States over here. I have already selected United States. So in this case, all you need to do is to go back to your Play Store. So just look for your Play Store and then search for this special application, Temp SMS. You can see over here Temp SMS receive code. Now once we search for this Temp SMS receive code, there are many. So just wait as it is loading over here. So you can see over here Temp SMS receive code. So once we search for this application, just wait as it is loading, and I will advise you to select the first one. Now you can see this is the one that I'm talking about with more than 50k download. 50k plus download over here. So you can see if you're already having it but not updated, I will advise you to update it to the latest version. Now once you are done, just go ahead and then open this application over here. So we just open this special application. So just wait as it is opening over here. Now once you open this application, you can see over here number list, and you can see extra numbers. Just click on extra numbers, and once you click on extra numbers, you can see so many countries and their numbers over here. Now in our case, I prefer USA because I have already selected USA. So just select USA and then wait as it is opening over here. So just wait for a while as it is opening for all your USA numbers. So just wait for a while, and you can see all the USA numbers over here. So in this case, all you need to do is to click on the number, and then you need to wait for the ad to so skip the ad. Now in this case, you can see over here, once you have selected your contact, you can see copy. Just click on copy and then copy the number over here, and you can see copied number. Now in this case, all you need to do is to just come back to where you ended on your WhatsApp. Now just open your WhatsApp, and you can see, just paste the number over here. So you can see this is the number, so which is the +140. So just click on this once you have entered your number. So just wait as it is connecting over here. So just wait as it is connecting. Now you can see over here, it is asking you to confirm the number. So just click on OK, and once you click on OK, you can see the verification code has been sent over here. In this case, all you need to do is to skip the ad and then click on refresh, and once you refresh, you can see loading. So you can see over here the OTP code has been sent. Now use this OTP code to create your WhatsApp account. Now with this trick, you can create unlimited WhatsApp account without using your personal number. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a